by the windowsill, a sad song to wake him. Will we see another day? And if so, what's the point? As Sylvester rises, he sees the bird has brought a gift. Torn cloth and string, bearing a silver ring. As he makes his way out past the crumbling castle walls, the ring still in his hand, memories come flooding back as he remembers why he dances on command. Will he see another day? And if so, what's the point? They want to ask me for directions. Do I look like I know anything at all? They want a piece of the pie. Well, joke's on them for thinking that I had a pie. They just found an empty shell, washed up on a beach, a potential home for a mollusc, or merely an accessory, a spare part lost in time, a missing piece, a perfect size, a memory, a book of memoirs, a photo album, and you can come with me. Washed up on a beach, a potential home for a mollusc, or merely an accessory, a spare part lost in time, a missing piece, a perfect slice.